Okay, I was wondering just the other day, how long do people really own their automobile these days? So I asked, hey Google, what's the average length of automobile ownership in the U.S.?
The average length of new vehicle ownership in the U.S. is 8.4 years.
Over 8 years. Then it hit me. No wonder Sunset sells so many vehicles. Oil changes for life on every qualifying vehicle. If you get 5 oil changes a year, on average at $150 each, that's $750 a year you'd be saving, which is $6,000 in savings over 8 years. Who knows how much money warranty protection for life might save you? But it's literally thousands of dollars. And now Sound Credit Union is offering Sunset customers an unheard of 84-month term at 6.99% APR. Chances are you can trade in whatever you're currently driving, get a nicer, newer vehicle, and actually lower your payment. And you won't make a payment for 90 days. Get all the details at soundcu.com or sunsetautofamily.com. You just get more at Sunset, like lower payments thanks to Sound Credit Union. And people do like that.